the line lots of times. I was the one that said, okay, well, they're 20 against 1, let's get them do it. I wasn't the one that spoke up and said, no, this is Alcoholics Anonymous, and this is my message, to help carry the message to another alcoholic. I cannot help necessarily, or 12-step somebody that has a drug addiction problem. I don't understand where they're coming from, and because I didn't stand up and say something then, that little home group died. We were at the convention this past year, or 2 years ago, and somebody was sitting behind the table that we knew very good, typing up all the registration forms, and this man said, people don't have home groups. Nobody has home groups, or there are home groups that don't exist anymore. These meetings are dead. Where did they go? And that's why we decided to put on that workshop on the home group, because it was dying in Alcoholics Anonymous. And that's where I got sober, with those people that cared. They watched me. And so that's one of the reasons why we started to educate some more, like make it available. So it takes a little funds, it takes a little energy, a little work. And then when I do that, I extend myself in a new way. I also think I'm